From Table of Contents, tap Workplace, Standards and Guidelines. There are 3 sections under this topic: Policies, Guidelines, and Manuals. Policies are formal and mandatory requirements that all employees must follow. Guidelines are more informal documents that allow more flexibility in different circumstances. They will outline best practices and highly recommend them, but they are not mandatory. Manuals are technical documentations that help staff to operate or maintain devices or products. An admin user must be logged in to make changes to these documents. To add a new document, tap Add button and select your document from your iCloud Drive. The added documents will automatically be uploaded to all of your devices in your location or your entire health authority, so that the latest documents are available to all of your staff at the same time. To replace an old document with a new version, if the name of document is the same, simply add the new document and Katiba will automatically replace it. To remove a document, swipe left on the document name and tap Delete. Eventually, you will have lots of documents in each section, but you can use the search field to quickly find the document you are looking for.